Hey there, environmental enthusiast. We're going to talk about an unsung hero in the world of environmental cleaning. Pine gel, also known as pine oil, is a natural and eco-friendly cleaning agent that's been around for centuries. It's derived from the sap of pine trees and has a strong, refreshing scent. But it's not just about the smell. Pine gel is a powerful cleaning agent that's perfect for a variety of household chores. From cleaning floors to disinfecting surfaces, pine gel is a versatile and effective cleaning solution. It's also biodegradable. The next time you're looking for a green cleaning option, remember to give our Sanity Pine Gel a try. It's a highly effective choice. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and tricks. Stay green, stay clean.